Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some hot and humid conditions across the region this morning, seeing our current heat index at 102 degrees at Wallops, and we're going to see that throughout the morning hours for the rest of the morning, and we're going to see it for the early afternoon before we see a sea breeze come on shore. With that heat and humidity today, we'll have limited forcing, but a chance of a shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. So overall today will be hot and humid with that slight chance of a pop-up shower. Most likely won't see it across the area. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 16,100 feet. Winds are light throughout the calm. We'll see an upper level ridge overhead. Seeing those winds varying anywhere from the southwest to the south. And only seeing a peak wind out of the west-southwest at 15 knots, 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis, we do have the remnants of Beryl currently over Arkansas. Seeing a stationary boundary stretch from that to the north and east all the way up into New England. This boundary is eventually going to become a cold front as Beryl moves over the eastern Great Lakes tomorrow, and that's going to be pushing towards the region for late Wednesday night into Thursday and kind of stalling out over the region on Thursday and Friday, giving us good chances of rainfall as it appears now for especially Friday. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of fair weather cumulus developing over the center of the peninsula this morning. Could see some of those develop into some showers and even isolated thunderstorm for this afternoon. Overall, just seeing mainly cirrus cloudiness across the region this morning. Taking a look at the European model for our long range. See today, it does develop possibility of a few pop-up showers along sea breeze boundaries this afternoon. Moving to the evening hours and overnight hours, just going to see a muggy night across the region. We're going to see some winds increase as this area low pressure that was Beryl moves into the eastern Great Lakes. And that's going to increase our pressure gradient across the region, or tighten that, and that's going to increase our wind field. And should see a wind advisory tomorrow afternoon as it appears now, wind gusting out of the south and up to about 25 knots as it appears. As we move into Wednesday afternoon, not going to see much of a chance of rainfall. Will be warmer inland tomorrow as that southerly flow off the water will keep areas along the coastline in the 80s. As we move into our Thursday, going to see this boundary kind of sag across the region Wednesday night to Thursday. That's going to give us chances of showers and thunderstorms for overnight Wednesday to Thursday. And it looks like Thursday afternoon, this boundary actually could retrograde back to the north and west slightly, putting us in a good spot for some showers and thunderstorms for all day Thursday, and then continuing to Friday, and possibly lingering into Saturday. So we are dry at this current time across the region, so if we do see this set up as the European is showing for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, could be seeing some much needed rainfall, as is the case this time of year with slow moving thunderstorms that do have a lot of precipitation with them. Could be seeing some localized areas seeing a lot of rainfall, or more than is needed at this time. So I'll continue to watch this setup for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. As we move into early next week, though, looks like this boundary sags off the coast, kind of washes out over the Gulf Stream. And for Sunday and Monday, it looks like we're going to have slight chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms, better chance on Monday and on Sunday. But the heat and humidity return once again for Sunday and Monday. Looks like we're going to have a heat wave for next week as it appears right now. Models are in fairly good agreement. We're going to have a good setup for some hot and humid conditions. Most likely we'll see heat indices over 100 degrees for most of the week next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high of around 90 degrees today, already seeing temperatures around 87 to 88 degrees this morning. Once that wind does pick up off the water, we'll see those temperatures start to slowly fall back into the upper 80s. Well, we'll see those heat indices between 100 and 105 degrees today. Could see that slightly higher from this afternoon brief time period when that sea breeze comes on shore, increases our humidity values, and gives us a slightly higher heat index for a brief time period. Our low tonight will be around 77 degrees. Tonight, so a muggy, warm night. We'll see those winds out of the south, 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 20 knots. For later this afternoon, that will feel much better after we see those hot, very hot and humid conditions for earlier this afternoon. Our winds will be picking up tomorrow morning, already at 8 o'clock. On Wednesday morning, south-southwest at 8 to 13 knots, gust to 18 knots. I have a very slight chance of seeing some low fog tomorrow morning, but overall, the chances are less than 10%. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see a chance of some showers in the vicinity from about 12 to 1800 local, 15% chance of a thunderstorm. So it looks like right now the best chance is in the center of the peninsula versus over Wallops today. And then overnight, as I mentioned, that slight chance of some reduced visibility, some shallow fog across the region, but overall, most likely won't see that tomorrow morning as the winds will be picking up out of the south-southwest. And tomorrow morning looks like we'll have some low clouds around 1,000 to 4,000 feet, as well as a broken deck of 25,000 feet. Our tides are continuing to run normal. So looking at Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday mostly to partly cloudy, humid and breezy, very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, a high of 87 degrees. So those winds gusting around 25 knots on Wednesday. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, slightly breezy early, a low of 77. Looks like those chances are in the yellow category here, high in yellow around 40% for both showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night. We'll see those winds gusting early in the late evening on Wednesday night, so could see continuation of wind advisory for Wednesday evening, and also could be seeing those low ceilings with the showers and thunderstorms roll through. For Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, good chance of afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, a high of 86 degrees. We'll continue to see humid conditions on Thursday as well. Looking at those chances at the high end orange here, around 60-70% for Thursday. So the next 7 days, looking like we'll have that 20% chance of shower today, isolated thunderstorm possible, mainly inland, away from the coastline. The high of 90, 87 tomorrow, 86 on Thursday. I had a 50% chance of a shower or thunderstorm here. Most model guidance is indicating is a little bit better chance than that with guidance coming out just recently. So they go with a 60 to 70% chance of a shower and thunderstorm for Thursday afternoon. Friday looks like could be a fairly rainy day across the region with the 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, high of only 83 degrees. Saturday, we'll see those AM rain showers and thunderstorms possible, high of 85. And then we'll see Sunday and Monday looks like right now, highs in the low 90s, hot and humid conditions, partly cloudy skies, slight chance of a thunderstorm late Monday. But overall, looks like we're going to have a pretty good ridge overhead on Sunday and Monday. Should tamper those chances of showers and thunderstorms and just giving us those hot and humid conditions. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.